lesson 1-7. 1-7 is solving equations by adding or subtracting. So basically, we are solving for the missing variable. So you're asking yourself, what would I need to do to the equation to get that answer? Okay, so what we're going to look at are equations that look like this. So we have 6 plus, let's say, t equals 28. All right? What number, when I add it to 6, will give me 28? Now, many of you might be able to do that in your head. Well, that's great as long as these are the small, easy problems. But once they become big and difficult, it can be very hard. You want to think of this as a balance, kind of like one of those balance weight things. If I add a lot of weight to one side, what's this side going to do? It's going to shoot up. Okay, it's kind of like a teeter-totter if you want to think of it that way. So if you add something over here, you need to add the exact same amount to this side to keep it level. Okay? So what you do to one side, you do to the other. You're going to learn that chant real fast. Now, first thing I need to do is look at this problem. I'm adding here. So I need to do the opposite of addition. Well, I now look at this number. This 6 is actually a positive number. So what's the opposite of positive 6? Negative 6. So I'm kind of subtracting in the sense as well. So what you do to one side, you do to the other. So I'm going to come over here and also subtract 6. These 6's cancel because 6 take away 6 would have given me 0. All right? Now I'm going to come and bring down my t. Because my goal in this project is to do this right here. Get the variable by itself. When you have the variable by itself, you can solve for what the variable was. Now I'm going to come over here and do 28 take away 6. And I'm going to get 22. All right, good way to check this. Put it back into the formula. Okay? I can do 6 plus 22. When I solve that out, do I get 28? I do. So that means, yay, I did it right. So on all of these problems, you can go back and recheck and make sure you did it perfectly. Okay, let's try another one. What if I had m take away 8 equals 14? All right, my goal is to get the variable by itself. I want this m all by itself. Right now, it's attached to a -8 or a -8, however you want to say that. So what's the opposite of subtracting 8? Adding 8. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. Okay? These 8's cancel because it would have became a 0. And my m falls down. Oh, let me get rid of that. Okay, my m falls down. So just to put in a different beautiful color, here we go. Did I reach my goal? I did. My variable is by itself. But I need to find out what my variable is. So I need to come over here and solve this. Okay? 14 plus 8. Well, 8 plus 4 is going to give me 11. Carry the 1. Oop, these little boxes keep popping up. Okay, 1 plus 1 is going to give me 2. M equals 21. Again, put this back into the equation and see if it works out.